one particular topic in carbohydrate chemistry that has always confused me as a medical student is the difference between proteoglycan and glycoprotein. So by words, let us understand what is the meaning of it. First of all, we take up proteoglycan. So the word proteo in proteoglycan simply means protein, and the word glycan simply means glycans. That means glycosaminoglycans or GAGs. So protein plus GAG forms proteoglycans. Whereas in case of glycoprotein, the main core is itself a protein. This is a protein which is glycosylated. Or sugar added. Simply sugar added. I know it still sounds confusing. So for that, let us first focus on something that is your glycosaminoglycans or GAGs. What does that mean? So GAG or glycosaminoglycan, that simply means they are a heteropolysaccharide. Okay, so they are heteropolysaccharide. So how are they heteropolysaccharide? They are equal repeats of uronic acid and amino sugars. This structure is repeated n number of times to form glycosaminoglycans. Now this is the idea of glycosaminoglycans. That is a heteropolysaccharide formed of uronic acid, for example glucurononic acid, and amino sugars, that is glycosamine. They together are repeated one after another in a tandem repeat fashion, and that forms your glycosaminoglycans. More about glycosaminoglycans we will take up in a separate video. Now, once these glycosaminoglycans are attached with proteins, they form proteoglycans. That means, suppose we have a protein core. This is a protein core, and along with this protein core, we have attached glycosaminoglycan, right? There are branches attached like this. So this idea is a glycosaminoglycan. Over here, this part is the GAG and this part is your protein core or the protein. This is proteoglycan. And over here you can clearly see that the amount of glucose or polysaccharide is more than the protein. Now let us come to the idea of glycoprotein. Now in glycoprotein we will have a big structure like this is a protein we will have, and with that protein will be attached. So this is a big protein over here, and with the protein, like small strands, sugars are attached. Over here will be one sugar, one sugar, one sugar. That will not be polysaccharide. They will be small oligosaccharides or disaccharides, they will be attached, right? Not polysaccharides. So sugar attached with protein, right? So simply in glycoprotein, the protein component is more and there are few sugar components. Like for example, we talk in terms of all the plasma proteins except albumin, glycosylated hemoglobin, that is HbA1c. All these are glycoproteins. So now I believe by this idea you have a clear concept of proteoglycans versus glycoproteins. But to understand proteoglycan, your concept about glycosaminoglycans or GAG is absolutely essential. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share this video among your friends and peers of medical school, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video from my channel. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one.